I have to walk along it. That's still quite wet there.
Oh, right.
I thought I'd do a little voiceover here. So at the moment the ground is really quite good. Along the sides where I'm actually cantering, there are ditches, so it's quite well drained. I can't go down the bit of the track down the middle because that is still a bit soggy and the horse sinks in quite deep, and those deep marks will come back to haunt us when it gets really dry in the summer because they'll be deep and hard. But the arena, so the ground here is quite good now after we haven't had any rain to speak of for 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. But the arena has become very dry and crumbly now, so the horses just lose their footing. So I thought today, instead of going in the arena, I will do this, and you can see Vienna is really well up for it.
She wants to go, doesn't she?
Difficult to hold, and she quite likes it. So what she finds really hard in the arena, probably because she can't go straight and it's all a bit soft for her, she can actually do well enough out there, so we can go straight and fairly fast and don't have to go around corners all the time. Unfortunately, back there where I keep walking, slowing down and walking and bending forward, there's a branch that is pretty nasty and hangs very low. I think it's even lower than last year. I have to certainly duck down, and I have to be really slow when I go past it. And here's that pesky branch coming up again, and she always wants to speed up just before she really needs to slow down. It would be much nicer for us if we could go right past it, but at the moment we can't. It needs to be cut down at some point if they remember to do it.
Good girl.
What a good girl, eh?
She really wants again. You want to canter again? You want to canter again? Come on then. Canter. Whoa, yes. Come on, come on. Come on, come
on. And here it is almost like she's trying to race the train. She really went for it there. And unfortunately, I think it's not quite safe enough to really let her go, and it's not really quite far enough either. The path obviously goes all the way to down there, you know, further than what I'm turning now. It goes straight a few meters further, but I can't really just let her go like that. We may not make the corner at the end. And here she's scared of something in the bushes there. Don't know what it is. I had a bit of a problem getting her past it. There was something going on in there, some critter. So, but then she's okay again in the end. And here, look at that nice trot. Nice big trot. I will also say here that she's not a very fit horse, and considering I think we've done about 20 minutes of this, just going to and fro and big trot and mostly canter to, well, gallop really. She's actually done remarkably well because it must be hard work for her. But I suppose if she's a bit high on adrenaline, then she may not feel the exhaustion quite so much. But I would expect that she should sleep well tonight, as they say, even though I have to say horses don't have the same sleep-wake pattern as humans, so they don't necessarily sleep through the night. But I think she'd be well tired tonight. So this was our final round, and now we're going kind of towards home. So this is the other part of the track that I don't go all the way when I go to and fro. And I probably shouldn't canter too much there, but it was really hard to actually slow her down and get her into a sensible walk there. So what can you do really? Just go with it, keep trying to slow her down. But she was, I think, at that point very high on adrenaline. And remember, she's half a racehorse, so she's got that kind of excitement in her.